Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I'm Séverine and I am your French teacher. Aujourd'hui, une prononciation compliquée et difficile du mot plus ou plus en français. Today, a complicated and hard lesson about how to pronounce plus ou plus in French. Of course, the transcript is on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, under the podcast section, where you will be able to follow everything that's coming up. Before we start, of course, feel free to check out my Facebook page where you can find more content. Alors, aujourd'hui, le mot plus ou plus. D'abord, on va apprendre la signification du mot plus ou plus en français. First, let's learn the meaning of plus ou plus in French. Plus means more. Plus que ou plus de means more than. Ne plus means not anymore. Ne plus que means only. And of course, you already noticed that I changed my pronunciation. When to not pronounce the S, when the S is silent, it means you're going to say plus, not plus, not plus, plus. So that's a hard sound. Do you remember the U? You start by making the sound E and you bring your lips U, I, U, plus, plus. Alors, le S est silencieux devant un adverbe et un adjectif avec une consonne. So the S is silent. You don't pronounce it, you don't hear it, you just write it in front of an adverb or an adjective with a consonant. Je cours plus vite que toi. Je cours plus vite que toi. I run faster than you. That's a comparative, and of course it'd be great if you can review comparative if you don't quite understand how it works. Je cours plus vite que toi. I run faster than you. Paris est plus grand que Lyon. Paris est plus grand que Lyon. Paris is larger than Lyon. Plus grand. Why? Because we have an adjective that starts with a consonant. Plus. Aussi, vous ne prononcez pas le S quand la signification est not anymore or no longer. Je ne mange plus de viande. Je ne mange plus de viande. Ne plus means not anymore, and you're going to sandwich your verb. Ne mange plus. Je ne mange plus de viande. I don't eat meat anymore. Elle ne regarde plus la télé. Elle ne regarde plus la télé. She doesn't watch TV anymore. Ne plus. When you mean only, such as tu n'as plus que 5 minutes. Ne plus que. Ne in front of the verb and plus que. Tu n'as plus que 5 minutes. Tu n'as plus que 5 minutes. You only have 5 minutes. Vous n'avez plus qu'à prendre le métro. Vous n'avez plus qu'à prendre le métro. You only have to take the subway. So you notice you don't pronounce the S when the idea is no more, no longer, or negative. Alors, quand prononcer le S? Actually, you voice the S, just like the S in 7, when you mean more or more of in front of a consonant. Par exemple, est-ce que tu veux plus de champagne? Est-ce que tu veux plus de champagne? Do you want more champagne? Est-ce que tu veux plus? Plus de ou plus? More or more of? Plus. Il a plus de frites que moi. Il a plus de frites que moi. He has more fries than me. Plus, plus. When you say more than plus someone, such as plus que moi, more than me, or plus que Sarah, more than Sarah. Okay, only in this example you're going to say plus que. I know, as I said, it's very complex. It just takes practice. Practice, practice, practice. Il faut pratiquer, écouter, faire attention quand vous écoutez des vidéos ou des podcasts. Okay? Pay attention when you listen to videos and podcasts with this plus and plus. D'accord? Allez, on fait une petite pause et je vous explique quand prononcer le S, Z. Let's take a little break and then I'll be right back to explain to you when you want to pronounce the S, Z. Alors, vous prononcez Z, la zebra, quand c'est devant une voyelle, quelle que soit la signification. You pronounce Z when placed in front of a vowel, regardless of the meaning. Je ne vais plus à la gym. Je ne vais plus à. Je ne vais plus à la gym. I don't go to the gym anymore. Plus. Why? Bzz, because there is a vowel coming after. Il est plus attentif. Il est plus attentif. Why Z? Because attentive starts with a vowel. Okay, here I have two examples with A, but you can do it with any of the vowels or H sound. D'accord? Okay, so let's recap. You pronounce the S when the idea is positive or more of. You don't pronounce the S when the idea is no longer, not anymore, in front of a consonant, and you always make a Z sound when it's in front of a vowel. Bravo, voilà, vous avez fini cet épisode. You listen until the end. Give yourself a big applause. Again, feel free to join my Facebook page and please share, comment this podcast with your friends so other listeners can find out about it. And if nobody has told you today, I know you're awesome. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.